start today's lesson in this language. Hazrat Abu Sa'id, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be pleased with him, narrated that Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, said that all believers will have salvation from the hellfire. Then they will be stopped upon a bridge between paradise and the hellfire. And revenge will be taken from one of them or other, or injustices they had committed in this world among them, until when they all will be civilized and purified. They will have commandment to enter paradise. So by the one in whose hand is my soul, one of them will be more guided of his abode in the paradise in relation to his guidance to his abode that had been for him in this world. Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu narrated that Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, "Nobody shall enter paradise except that he will be shown his seat in the hellfire if he had committed more bad things, so that he will have a chance to be more grateful. And nobody shall enter hellfire except that before that he shall be shown his seat in the paradise had he done good, and it is going to be a matter of sorrow for him." Bukhari narrated this. Hazrat Ibn Umar, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be pleased with him, said that Messenger of Allah, may Allah's mercy and blessing be upon him, said, when people of paradise are going to go to paradise and people of fire are going to go to hellfire, then death will be brought until it will be placed upon a certain place between paradise and hellfire. Then it will be slaughtered. Then a calling person shall call, "O people of paradise, there is no more death. And O people of hellfire, there is no more death." So people of paradise shall have more happiness besides the happiness they have already had, and people of hellfire shall have more sorrow and grief besides the sorrow and grief they have already had. This tradition is agreed upon.
Thank you so much. God bless.